Welcome back. I'm going to do a review on the Tailgater tire table for y'all today. Let's get in close here and show you how all this works. First, you're going to push these little buttons in right here. Take it out. I'm going to put it over here. Like that. And then you got these little knobs. You're going to loosen those. Then you can pull this up to adjust the width of your tire. So let me show you how that looks. Grab your table here. Just gonna pull this out. I like to put my hand here and arm here to give me some leverage to lift the table up, although it is not super heavy. Do like so. Push the bar behind the tire, and then after that you just make sure it's level. I'm going to tighten these knobs that I showed you earlier. Tighten that bar. Just tighten these, and you have yourself a table. And if you need to support more weight, there is a drop down leg under the center bar. So what you do for that is there's another little button you push in on this side over here. And it drops that leg down. Now there's a knob up here. You can do it all the way down to your tire if you'd like. That way it kind of keeps the leg out from where you walk, so you won't trip on the leg. You just lift up on the table a little bit, and then you tighten that down. And you have more support. And there you have your tire table. It is powder coated, so the durability should be excellent. I will be going camping very soon to try this out. I'd like to thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe, like, comment. I do have a few questions for you. Would y'all cook on this with a propane stove? My only concern is if the heat gets to my plastic and paint on my vehicle, would it, mess up the paint, maybe warp the plastic fender? So just drop that down in the comment for me if you think you would cook on this table being this close to your car. That's my only concern, and it's not a big deal because I can just, get another table to cook on. So really appreciate y'all tuning in for this, and I'll catch y'all later. Take care.